One of my posts on LinkedIn recently started trending for popular hashtags like hashtag digital marketing, but this was intentionally done by me. So how did I get my post trending on LinkedIn? In this video, you will learn exactly that. Hey digital learners, I am Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and in this video you will learn how to get your post trending on LinkedIn. I'll share 5 crucial tips that will help you get your post trending on LinkedIn. And if you keep watching this video until the end, you will also come to know about a bonus tip that will help you get more engagement on your social post, not just on LinkedIn, but also on other social platforms. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Learn Digital with Rahul channel on YouTube and tap on the bell icon, because I do consistently post such videos every week and you might not want to miss that. Alright, now without further delay, let's get started. If you want your post to be trending on any social platform, the number one thing you will need is more social engagement. When people engage with your social post, it sends a positive signal to the social platform that your post is amazing. That is why people are engaging with it. So how will you create an engaging post so that you may get trending on any platform, including LinkedIn? Well, here are 5 tips. Tip number 1 is post visual content. When you post visual contents like images, videos, GIFs, etc., it tends to perform better on any social platform as compared to the text-based content. The reason for that is when people are scrolling in their newsfeed, they usually see images or videos quite easily. However, the text-based content needs special attention from the users. The second tip that will help you get more social engagement is ask questions. When you ask questions in your social post, people are more likely to respond with an answer. If you don't ask, no one will. So it's always a better idea to ask questions once in a while, because I think social media is not one-way traffic. It's all about communication. What's your take on this? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, tip number 3 is use important hashtags that are relevant to your post. Just like Instagram, people on LinkedIn also follow hashtags of their interest. When you have something of their interest, why not target those users' newsfeed by adding relevant hashtags? When you add hashtags relevant to your business, your post is more likely to reach potential users who might be interested in your stuff, and some of them will engage with your content as well. But wait, one rule of caution: don't spam with too many hashtags. Use only 3 to 5 relevant ones. Oftentimes, when you posted something on LinkedIn, you must have noticed that no one liked your post or no one commented. And that's quite common because of the way LinkedIn algorithms work. One simple tip to push your post in your connections or followers newsfeed is by liking your own post or commenting on your own post. When you like and comment on your own post, it helps in 2 ways. Number 1, it sends positive signal to the algorithm that the post is amazing. And number 2, it will instantly start showing your post in your connection or followers newsfeed, like Rahul likes this or Rahul commented on this. And it's truly amazing, but many people aren't taking advantage of this. 5th tip I have for you is thank everyone who likes your post. If someone took time to read, watch, or engage with your post by liking, commenting, or sharing, you should be moral enough to thank them. Well, it's not just a moral lesson, it's a social media marketing lesson as well. Because when you thank people and engage with them, they are more likely to engage with your post in future as well. And that's how you build an engaged community. Alright, and before I share a bonus tip that I promised earlier, let me ask you a question. Which of these LinkedIn marketing tips you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And the bonus tip that will help you get more engagement on not just LinkedIn but also on any social platform is ask open-ended questions. There are 2 types of questions. 1. Close-ended questions that get simple answers like yes or no, resulting into closing of conversation. And the another one is open-ended questions that encourage detailed answers and spark conversation as well. Well, that's a good dating tip as well if you want to have a longer conversation. Anyways, if you want to see how I'm using these tips to get my post trending on LinkedIn, go to LinkedIn and search for Learn Digital with Rahul. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated, stay creative, and feel proud to be #digital learner.